What's up, guys? I'm just gonna show you how to schedule restart. Sometimes we run updates and the user doesn't have the computer up to date, which is quite common in IT, and it could lead to a security risk. It has happened so many times to me, so we ask the user to save all the documents, and what we do, we just open command prompt, right? Just search CMD or from the RAM box, Windows R, and then type CMD. So once we are in the command prompt, let's go with shutdown. Oops, not that one. Shutdown slash R for restart slash T for time, and let's say we want to restart the computer in 15 minutes, which is approx 1000 seconds. Remember, the time is always in seconds. Press enter, and that's it. The computer is gonna restart in 1000 seconds. If you wanna abort this schedule to restart the computer, just go shutdown slash A for abort, and everything's aborted.